Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about a game called Shuffleboard. It's for grades 3 through 5. Works on underhand rolling skills as well as interdisciplinary skills with science, specifically to the cell, the organelles of the cell. So as you can see, we got your two shuffleboards facing each other with different organelles in the cell. So their goal is to build a cell, and they need at least the main three, which are the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, and the nucleus. But the other three organelles are organelles that can be found in both plant and animal cells, and there's also a wild card spot that can be whatever they need it to be if they didn't get a certain one. So they will alternate rolling between the teams, green then purple, or the other way around. And so once the left side finishes, then the right side will go in. So the left and right green teams, they're on the same team trying to build the same cell. So if the left side didn't get something, maybe the right side will be able to finish the cell. We can see the green team got a cell membrane, cytoplasm, and a nucleus. So they got the big three. That's awesome. They also got vacuoles, mitochondria. They didn't directly get lysosomes, but they did get the wild card spot to fill in for that. Purple team also got everything that they needed. So the game really isn't trying to beat the other team. You're just trying to get your team to make a full cell. So some modifications are to place the boards farther apart or closer together, just depending on how the kids are doing with the accuracy of rolling. And if you're making the boards by putting tape on the ground, you can make them larger, smaller, or whatever shape you want to. You could also use this as an underhand throwing game and use bean bags with that. So some cues for underhand rolling are stepping with the leg opposite of the arm that you're rolling with. So if you're right-handed, you'll be stepping with your left leg. You want to make sure to get low and release the ball low to the ground. And you want your rolling arm to point to where the ball needs to go. And that is to fix left and right errors, not so much power errors, but to make sure that they're shooting straight. Alright, so that's Shuffleboard. I hope you guys enjoyed it.